Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Arshad and you are watching Tech Master YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you that how to fix Zoom app not working on your iPhone in iOS 18 update. So guys, if you are facing this problem, keep watching the video until the end and follow all steps. So guys, let's start this video without waste your time. Before start this video, you should subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more informative tech videos. So guys, you can see appears on screen. There are many solutions to fix this problem. Solution number one is check your internet connection. Make sure you have a good internet connection, Wi-Fi or cellular data. Please connect your Wi-Fi or cellular data and fix your problem. If solution number one is not working, now we're applying this solution number two. The solution number two is check the latest app update. Simply tap on the App Store. You can see appears on screen. Search here Zoom app. You can see appears on screen update is pending. If you also have any pending update, please download and install and fix your problem. The solution number two is not working. Now we apply the solution number three. The solution number three is open the Zoom app, close it now and open again and fix your problem. The solution number three is not working. Now we are applying the solution number four. The solution number four is reset all settings. Simply tap on the settings. Little bit scroll up, tap on general. Again scroll up, transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode, reset all settings, restart your iPhone, wait 5 to 10 seconds and fix your problem. If solution number 4 is not working, now we are applying this solution number 5. The solution number 5 is restart your iPhone. Simply press the volume up button, press the volume down button and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, slide to power off, enter your iPhone passcode, restart your iPhone, wait 5 to 10 seconds and fix your problem. If solution number 5 is not working, now we are applying this solution number 6. The solution number 6 is check the iOS update. Tap on the settings, little bit scroll up, tap on general, tap on software update. You can see appears on screen this iPhone has iOS 18 update. If you also have any pending update, connect your Wi-Fi, download it and install and fix your problem. Solution number 6 is not working. Now we're applying this solution number 7. The solution number 7 is open the Zoom app, close it now and open again and fix your problem. If solution number 7 is not working, now we're applying this solution number 8. The solution number 8 is reset network setting. Tap on the settings, little bit scroll up, tap on general, again scroll up, transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset network setting, enter your iPhone passcode, reset network setting and fix your problem. If all the solutions are not working, kindly visit the support.apple.com and fix your problem, or visit the nearest iPhone store to authorize the dealer and fix your problem. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix Zoom app not working on your iPhone or iPad in iOS 18 update fixed. That's it. If this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more informative tech videos. Thanks for watching.